Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well and by now you have adjusted with a new way of schooling from home. A global pandemic is a time of tough choices. Still taking this as a challenge and moving on with our online studies, we further move towards our half-yearly exam 2020. We will focus on these 3 points, that is preparation before the examination, steps to follow during examination, and steps to follow after submission. Starting with the first point, that is preparation before the examination, the steps are: first, you will take out pages from A4 size register. Next, you will write the given information in all the sheets as shown and fill up the details. You can take image 1 as reference, that is, on the sheet on the top you will write half yearly exam 2020. Next you will write name, class and section, subject, roll number, admission number and date. It is mandatory to write the sheet number on top right corner of every sheet. That is, on sheet number 1 you will write sheet number 1. Second sheet you will write sheet number 2. Third sheet, sheet number 3 and so on. Keep 10 to 12 pages ready before every examination with all information filled up. Now you are all set up for your exam. Next is steps to follow during examination. The steps are: you have to keep your internet connection strong. A link will be sent just 5 minutes before the examination on the WhatsApp group of your class in Google Form. Click on the link and fill all the information, whatever is required there. As you will proceed, your question paper will be attached there. You can see there. Open the question paper and start answering the questions on the answer sheets which you have made previously. After completion of the paper, take the photo of your answer sheets and make a PDF of that answers sheet, or directly upload the images of your answer sheet on the option which you can see here on the sample question paper. Here, add file on your Google form. From there, you can upload your answer sheet in PDF form also or the images also. Please note, if you are unable to open the link or facing any problem while submitting the answer sheet, inform the concerned teacher immediately on their WhatsApp number personally. Better to upload your answer sheet in PDF form. You can use any app for PDF, that is Microsoft Office Lens, Adobe Scan, or any PDF making app. Apart from the time allotted in particular exam, additional 15 minutes will be given for uploading answer sheet on Google Form. There is a demo video you can see here. You can click on the link, and when you will click on this link, Google Form will open. You can start filling your details here. First, email address, a demo email address I'm writing here, then name, your name you will write, Shweta Gupta. Next is your class and section. Here, for example, I'm writing class 8D. Next is your admission number. As you will proceed, you will see a question paper attached in the Google form. Read the question paper carefully and start answering the questions on the answer sheets which you have prepared. Once you have completed your paper, take a picture of your answer sheet and make a PDF of that. After making the PDF, click on add file button, which you can see, and upload the PDF. When you will click on add file button, a screen will appear like this. Select on select files from your device. Document will come and files also can come. You can click on document and then your gallery will open where you have saved your PDF or the image captured. You can directly upload the images. You can select the images from here and you can upload, or you can upload the PDF also. Here I am uploading a PDF named Mathematic PDF. As you will click on Mathematic PDF, it will be uploaded here. Click on upload button. When you will click on upload button, it will start uploading. As it will be uploaded in Google Form, click on the submit button. Your form is submitted. Next is two steps to follow after submission. After submitting the answer sheets on Google Form, arrange all the sheets and staple it as you do during examination in school. Keep all the papers safely. Parents have to submit the answer sheet, that is the hard copy, in the school. Date and time is uploaded at parent portal when you have to submit the answer sheet, means the hard copy. Please note, be sure the answer sheets uploaded should be very clear, not blurred. No changes will be done in the answer sheet as it will be compared with the uploaded answer sheets. Strict action will be taken against the student caught making changes in the answer sheet. Children, we believe that you will be sincere and honest throughout the exams. Do take good care of yourself and your family members. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you.